Let's be honest, most Caesar chicken sandwiches are kind of a letdown. Dry chicken, soggy lettuce, weak dressing. You're supposed to call that a sandwich? Not today. We're fixing that by taking everything that should be great about a Caesar sandwich and giving it the backyard barbecue treatment. Fresh grilled chicken, smoky charred romaine, homemade Caesar dressing, all stacked on a toasted brioche bun. This is how you make a light, flavorful sandwich that actually delivers, and it's perfect for your upcoming Mother's Day cookout. The dressing is simple and may not be an actual Caesar dressing, but that's okay. Let's start with this. 1/2 cup mayonnaise, 1/4 cup grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons sour cream, a tablespoon of fresh lemon juice, 1 teaspoon Worcestershire sauce, 1 teaspoon Dijon mustard, and we're gonna hit it with some fresh black pepper and stir to combine. All right, now there's our dressing. You know, this is a little bit thick. If you like it a little thinner, you can use a little bit of water or milk to thin it out. It's up to you. But I'm gonna do 2 things now. I'm gonna go put this in the refrigerator so that all those flavors can meld up while we're getting everything else ready. Then I'm gonna get the chicken. So, one thing left to do, to the refrigerator! All right, now, while our dressing is in the refrigerator doing its dressing thing, getting it flavorful, we're gonna be working with boneless, skinless chicken thighs here today. So when you get them, they're gonna have some fat on them. Just take it off, okay? You wanna leave some on there, a little bit of fat on your chicken thighs, okay? This is a pretty good sized piece right here, so we're gonna cut some of that off. And I think that that's pretty good. That's what we're looking for. Okay, the bottom side, anything straggly like that, just clean it up a little bit. Now the beauty of this dish is it's really in its simplicity, okay? So we're just gonna hit it with a little bit of extra virgin olive oil right now. We're gonna hit each piece with some of that, and then we're gonna season them up with a solid coating of Greek seasoning. That blend of garlic, oregano, and a lemon makes it absolutely fresh and bold. We're actually gonna do the same for our romaine. What we're gonna do is we're gonna cut it in half first, okay? So start at the knot right on top, and just go right down and cut it right in half. Just like that. So we have a nice 2 beautiful halves, and lay it out, and all we're gonna do is we're gonna hit it with some more olive oil, then we're gonna hit it with some seasoning again, and then we're gonna grill that too, because everything gets grilled on our chicken sandwich. Now you're probably wondering, why hasn't he lit the grill yet? The fact of the matter is, it's already burning from a previous cook. Don't tell anybody. So I'm just gonna add some more fresh charcoal right on top of the stuff that's already burning, okay? You're ready for cooking. So we got it going on a direct flame here. So all I'm gonna do is kind of grill our chicken. We're gonna grill our romaine too, but we're gonna put the chicken on first, okay? It's gonna go about 5 or 6 minutes per side. We're about 10 minutes from our chicken being done. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and grill our romaine too. That's right, grill our romaine. How about that? Got a little bit of oil on it, got some of the seasoning. Just gonna stick it on there. We wanna just give it a nice little char, okay? Just wanna give it a char on the edges. Now we can start assembling. So we're gonna build our salad first. What we're gonna do is we're gonna take our kind of romaine here. I like to give it 1 shot right down the middle and just cut it into sections. By grilling the romaine like that, you're really bringing out the flavors of it. It's softening it up nicely, all into the bowl. We can mix some of our dressing in, okay? You know, however much you want to use is up to you. I tend to like a lot of dressing, especially if it's going on a sandwich with some bread. I want it to be nice and moist. And you know, no Caesar salad would be complete without the one main ingredient, Parmesan cheese. So I took the liberty of grating some of this nice fresh Parmesan over here and add a bunch of it in here, nice handful. Now I want to cover something interesting too, is I'm using chicken thighs as opposed to chicken breasts, okay? You can use whatever you want. Perfect. That is perfect. We are there. We are done grilling, guys. Now normally, okay, I would build this on a nice brioche bun, but my mom's favorite, and it's Mother's Day, so I'm doing this video in honor of my mom. She loved herself a croissant. Now, I've never had great luck toasting them, but we're gonna try it out, okay? I'm gonna throw it on this grill here. It's going pretty good. I'm gonna throw it on here for maybe 30 seconds and see if we can get just a little toasting on here. Gonna kind of go on the outer edge here. Let's see. All right, now, assembling this sandwich could not be easier. There's really nothing to it, okay? I'm gonna take the bottom of our croissant. I'm gonna take one of our chicken thighs, whole. I didn't cut them up. You can cut them up if you want. Take our salad, and I'm using my hands because I'm eating this, so I don't care. Okay, this is where you get your texture from. This is where you get your different varying textures that are gonna really make the sandwich pop. And lastly, the croissant. And there you have it, folks. How's that? Is that a pretty sandwich or what? A sandwich that would make mom proud, that's for sure. This is a great way to do it. You know, I know this isn't the most exciting video. It's not, smoked brisket, but you know what? You gotta make some regular stuff too. This stuff is really fun to make and it's delicious. I mean, delicious. Grilling foods adds more flavor, period. I don't care how you put it, it does. This is so good. That char grilled chicken with the creamy dressing and the crunch in the salad, I mean, total flavor bomb. You can see why this sandwich went viral. You know, they did it fried, we did it grilled, because we do everything grilled. Charcoal rules. While I got you here, go ahead and subscribe to the channel, okay? Leave us a comment. What are you making for Mother's Day? I hope it's something nice. We've got to remember Mom on her special day, all right? Anyway, I wish my mom was here to celebrate this. I know she would love this. Remember to get out and grill, and I'll see you the next time on the FOGO Life. Captain Ron, out.